welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we are creating a paper helicopter. So in your craft kit that you picked up from the library, you have your helicopter template, a cork, a metal brad, and some glue dots. Alright, the first thing that we're going to do is cut out our helicopter along the lines, kind of makes a square, and then we're also going to cut on the diagonal lines of our template. So, the only other thing you'll need is a pair of scissors today. Alright, so we're going to cut out along that outside of our template first. And like we said, kind of makes a square. All right, and then our next step is going to be to cut on those diagonal lines in the corner of our helicopter, but you'll notice they don't go all the way to the center, they only go about halfway. So when I cut on those lines, I'm only going to cut about halfway up my paper. And I'm just going to do that on each of those 4 diagonal lines, only going about halfway. So now that I have my lines cut, I've got these kind of triangle slits in my helicopter. So I'm going to take a corner and put it into the middle. I'm going to use a glue dot to secure that corner. And we want to pick the same corner on each side to secure. So I did that right side there, if you're looking at it. So I'm going to do that same right side on all the way around. Each one secure with a glue dot. And we're not really folding them all the way flat, we're kind of letting them curve over, making a curve there. So this helicopter is almost like a pinwheel. That's one way to think about it. That might help you think about how to get it all secure. So there's the top of my helicopter. Like we said, kind of looks like a pinwheel. But our next step is to take our metal brad and poke it through our helicopter. Right in the middle where there's a little circle there. There we go. And then we're going to take our cork, and the small end of our cork is going to go on top of our helicopter where all those points are meeting in the middle. And I'm going to flip it over. Through the middle of the top of the helicopter and into my cork. Like that. So I've got the top of my brad on the top of the helicopter, and on the bottom is that cork there. So we can take our helicopters, spin them up into the air, and they'll float down to the ground. So if you were able to make these with a friend or someone in your family, you can do some helicopter races. You could kind of see if you hang some different things from the bottom of your cork, what might happen if it has more weight or less weight. So lots of things that you can do as you experiment with your helicopters. We really really hope that you enjoyed this Kids Craft Corner, and we will